Okay, let's go. I take a video. This is from, and let's go here, and let's go inside. And left is Jack Jill. Like this is yeah. What's it? Okay. Bathroom. And this is can be like a study room, office, something like that. Here you go. They put it here. And then let me go. Right, it's a perfect Anna's room can be. Look, it's very perfect. Okay, and go out. Now here they put a piano is here. There is not need the, actually this is can be the office room. And look, this is living room. Why there can be office room? Because they have a bed table for dinner, for something like that. Look, this is wonderful. I love this. Big, huge. Look. Here you go. This is can be the kitchen and the eat something here. Look there. Here you go. Oh, here have the look. Oh, nice. Look, do a circle. Look, here can be, and go here. Here is a painting room, and here is a garage. The garage. Now washroom, laundry. Laundry is here. Yeah, and there is all be the big yard, 2 patio. Look, here it's a premier room. Premier room is big, and they all have this. Look, and this is a master room, premier room, the bathroom, double. This is a little closet, and this is a big closet. That is the favorite thing. I like it. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. The first patio and big. The out patio and a big yard. Look,